So today, fixing 6 bikes. It's a house called Bicycle Service. Some of these client wants all the bikes tuned up. So we're tuning up 3 of those bikes. And we'll be back with the other bikes. Yeah. So bike number 1 is completed. Now we're gonna put on some here. Okay, now we're working on bike number 2. It's a little bigger than the last bike. That's the first bike right there. Right there. This is bike number 2, and then we still have the rest of those.
Do you want to know what it is?
Shouldn't be take too long. Let's see.
The Matrix is everywhere.
Bike number 2.
It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church.
Okay.
When you
Bike number 3. A little bigger. See. Tune up. Fix it up. See how it is. Bike number 3 is complete. I'll put it with the rest of the bike that are completed. 3 down, 3 to go. After this. So we're working on bike number 4 now. Bike number 4 is an adult bike. We're going to turn this bad boy right up. Check the gears, the brakes, pressure, tire pressure.
It is the world
Move it up a little bit.
that has been pulled over your eyes.
Make it look good. Reset it a little bit. Make it look brand new.
What truth?
We're gonna lube it up real quick, spray some WD-40. This is disc brakes, so you don't spray up the disc brakes. Not gonna go good, trust me, I know. Just a little spray here, right there, got a little bit of doo-doo. So, figure that out. Okay, so, bike number 4, and I got some doo-doo here. But bike number 4 is completed. I'm ready to be with the others. This is what it looks like now. It's a little dusty before. Yeah, that's looking nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Number 4, completed. Okay, so we completed the mission. The mission was to tune up 6 bikes, 3 adult bikes and 3 children's bikes. So this is it right here. Bike 1.
Do you want to know
Bike 2.
what it is?
Bike 4.
The Matrix is
Bike
everywhere.
5.
It is all around
Bike 6.
us. Even now, in this very room,
So
you can see it when you
tuning
look
in.
out your window,
Eddie C's Bike
or when you
Institute.
turn on your television.
Contact us
Feel it
7 days a week, 24 hours for any services, maintenance, and repairs.
when you pay your
For any of the educational part, we're open from 6 to 7. No, 7 to 7 on Sundays, and 6 to 9 on weekdays and Saturdays.